Who's giving the answer?
Sir, Muhammad Abbas.
Muhammad Abbas. Where were you? Charmi ma'am was asking me that she called up, but you were not answering. Yes, Muhammad Abbas.
Yes, sir.
Why were you not answering till now?
Sir, I was doing breakfast, sir.
So you should have written in the chat box because we were calling out all the students, those who were present. And
Sir,
even I think she called up
sir,
and
my laptop is in my room and I was doing in dining table, so.
okay. So here you have to combine the sentences using subordinating conjunctions. In exercise 3 we completed yesterday, we have written all the subordinating conjunctions. So now subordinating conjunctions, as I told you, it is a big list. Till, until, unless, though, although, where, when, why, how, which, what, whose, whether, if, since, because, before, after, otherwise, that,
Inside,
then.
outside,
Okay. What?
inside, outside.
Inside and outside is what? It is preposition, no? That shows your position.
Yes, sir.
Now here, tell me the first one. How will you join? I can go to the party. I must finish my homework.
Yeah,
Yes.
I
What
can
should?
go to the party.
But,
Hence, I must finish my homework. Hence,
Hence. Okay. Correct. We can write hence also.
sir, but,
But is it subordinating conjunction? Will it not be coordinating conjunction? Fanboys.
yes, sir, yes.
Yes. Hence. Then number two. Mosquitoes are a health hazard to humans. They carry germs. The reason is given. Why are mosquitoes a health hazard? Why are they dangerous for our health? They carry germs. Reason is given there. So which conjunction will you use?
still,
What?
Because
if
Because
Yes. So tell me the whole sentence.
mosquitoes are health hazard to humans because they carry germs.
Okay.
our health
So if
hazard to
I just write
humans,
because,
humans.
okay. I hope you will write the answer yourself now.
Yes, sir.
Though I will send the answer in the group, means all the answers I will send the PDF. But first you have to attempt write yourself today. I am just giving the conjunction. You have to remove the full stop and you have to add the conjunction.
Yes, sir.
Mosquitoes are health hazards to humans because they carry germs. Then we will put full stop.
Yes, sir.
Then the third one.
She did not want to go after she went to school.
So which conjunction are you saying? After.
Yes, sir.
See, read properly. There is contrast. She went to school. She did not want to go. मतलब वो स्कूल गई उसको नहीं जाना था. So two contrasting situation is there. When contrast is there, then what will you use? Which conjunction? Contrasting situation is there.
Thought. T-H-O-U-H-T.
What?
Thought.
But did you say but?
No, thought.
Thought. Which is that?
Though. Sir, he
Okay,
said
though we
though.
can use. Yes, we can use though. She went to school, though she did not want to go. But we can also use although, because though and although are same.
Yes, sir.
Although if you want to use, but then you have to use although in the beginning of the sentence. In starting, you will put although. Although she went to school, she did not want to go. She went to school, although she did not want to go. ऐसे भी लिख सकते हैं. Then next, biscuits means part with some biscuits means share the biscuits.
Yes, sir. I will not unless you must part with some biscuits.
Which conjunction?
Unless.
Unless. Let me check. Unless, yes. But unless you have to put here. Must you have to remove. How will you write the answer? Unless you part with some biscuits, I will not answer your questions. Unless you part with some biscuits, I will not answer your question. Then I was cycling, I met him. Answer.
Sir, mate આવે કે mate આવે?
Met.
Okay.
Tell me the answer. When I was cycling, I met him. What the answer? Understood? When at that time when I was doing cycling, I met him. And you will remove full stop. after cycling. Don't put full stop. You know that we are joining the sentences. Are you all writing?
Yes, sir.
The parcel was heavy. I could not lift it. So reason is given. Why I could not lift? Parcel was heavy. That was the reason. So which conjunction do we use? Reason is given, no? That it was heavy. So when the reason is given, which conjunction will you use?
As.
Has.
As.
Yes. As also you can use. But can you tell me the whole sentence?
As
I
the
could
parcel
not
was
lift
heavy,
it.
I could not lift it.
Yes.
As will come first.
Yes. And can we use any other conjunction instead of as?
Mm, Because
Yes. You can write as, no problem. You can write because also. Because the parcel was heavy, I could not lift it. As the parcel was heavy, I could not lift it. But don't put full stop. We are joining. So don't forget, only one full stop will come at the end of the sentence. It was a very bad accident. The car was damaged beyond repair. I will not give you any hint. Now you tell me the answer.
it was a very bad accident, though the car was damaged beyond repair.
दो contrast situation हुई ना. It is contrast. बैड एक्सीडेंट था फिर भी
Mm.
कार इतनी डैमेज हुई फिर भी that is though but here it is not possible. Here reason is given. Reason. Why was the car damaged beyond repair? Why can't we repair it? Reason is given here. Tell me. Now will you tell me the answer? What shall we write? What sentence shall we write?
Because.
Yes, but what sentence will you write?
Because it was very bad accident. The car was damaged beyond repair.
Okay, very good. Because it was a very bad accident, the car was damaged beyond repair. He is very well off. He is not helpful. Well off means he is very rich. Rich है फिर भी help नहीं करता. So contrast is there. Contrast. Fast.
He
Tell
is
me.
very well off, though he is not helpful.
Yes, and we can also write although. If you
Yes,
write
sir.
although, then you have to write in the beginning. Though, although both are correct. Although he is very well off, he is not helpful. Then he sent me sweets. I like sweets. Again, reason is given. Reason. Why did he send me sweet? Why did he send me sweets? Why did he send me sweets?
Because he sent me
Yes.
sweet because I like it.
Yes. He sent me sweets because I like sweets. Then the guest entered. I just woke up. मतलब ये क्या हुआ? एग्जैक्ट टाइम इज गिवन. जब गेस्ट एंटर हुए तब मैं जाग गया.
The guest entered when I just woke up.
Okay. See, conjunction you are using correct, but you are placing that conjunction in a wrong
When
place.
the guest entered, I just woke up.
Yes, correct. When the guest entered, comma, I just woke up. Here we'll put comma.
Okay, sir.
When the guest entered, I just woke up. So this exercise 4 is complete. I hope you have written the answers.
Yes, sir.
Now in exercise 5 it will be very easy for you because only coordinating conjunction you have to use. And that list is very short. So you can easily select one. So which are the coordinating conjunctions?
Pen boys.
Yes. So tell me the first one.
For and no, but, or, yet, and so.
Okay. So in the first one, which one will you use? I prefer tea. I prefer coffee. See,
I
two times
prefer
I.
tea and I prefer coffee.
Which conjunction?
Or.
Here, choice is not given. Both the things I prefer. Both. ऐसा लिखा है ना, I prefer tea, I prefer coffee. मतलब दोनों दोनों प्रेफर
I
करता हूँ
prefer
मैं.
tea and coffee.
Yes. Then get me soup. Get me coffee. Get me one only. Now again, here choice is given.
Get me soup or coffee,
Okay.
but one only.
No, that you have to omit. फिर उसकी जरूरत नहीं है ना, दोनों चीज आ गई.
Yes, sir.
गेट मी वन ओनली मतलब दोनों में से एक, तो वो आ गया ना इसमें, गेट मी सूप और कॉफी.
Yes, sir.
ही वॉज लेट. ही वॉज एडमिटेड इनटू द हॉल. लेट था फिर भी उसको एडमिट किया हॉल में, मतलब एंट्री दे दी.
He was late, yet he was admitted into the hall.
गुड. एंड वी कैन ऑल्सो यूज बट. येट एंड बट वी कैन यूज बोथ.
Yes, sir.
ही वॉज लेट बट ही वॉज एडमिटेड इनटू द हॉल. नेक्स्ट. ही वॉज अनहैप्पी. ही हैज कम इन स्पाइट ऑफ इट. मतलब अनहैप्पी था फिर भी आया है वो.
He was unhappy. He was unhappy, but he has come in spite of it.
यस. All others are there or not? Who else is present? Tell your friends also to give the answer. Muhammad Abbas.
Yes, sir.
Tell your friends also to give the answer.
Yes.
I am kind. I gave him some money.
I am kind, so I gave him some money.
Okay. So give me also.
Okay, sir.
You are very kind.
Yes, sir.
You will give 1 crore rupees to me. So you are very kind.
Sir, I don't have.
Okay, 1 lakh.
I don't have.
Okay, then 1,000.
Yes, sir. That I have.
Okay, but that is so kind of you that you are saying yes. So that kindness is enough. I will not take money. Don't worry.
Okay, sir. Thank you.
Okay. You should save that money. Savings are good. It will be helpful in future.
Sir, I am saving only.
Mm.
The
The
weather
weather
was
was bad. The army was beaten.
the weather was bad, yet the army was beaten.
Yet is contrast. It is contrast. Opposite things are there. यहाँ पे reason दिया है. That why was the
So,
army beaten? Yes. So here I am directly writing the conjunction. You will join it yourself.
okay, sir.
The weather was bad, so the army was beaten. Then the man stole a purse. He was caught.
સારું છે. The man stole a purse and he was caught.
Okay. One possible answer is correct. The answer which you said you can write that, no problem. And one answer I am writing. The man was caught for he stole a purse. Reason is given. So, and you said you can write that also. Run fast. You will miss the bus. Run fast. You will miss the bus.
Run fast or you will miss the bus.
Okay. Please assemble. The flight is on time.
So,
Yes. You can change the order of the sentence. Second sentence you can bring first. The flight is on time. So please assemble. So submit your record. I will punish you.
Submit your
Submit your
record or I will punish you.
yes. So submit your fare book also.
Yes, sir.
Submit your record or I will punish you. So the lecture is over. The lesson is over. The syllabus is over. Okay.
All things is over.
Yes. This was exercise 5. Lesson 10 conjunctions we have completed. Lesson 8, 9, 10 are there in the syllabus. Grammar. English you already completed. So today's
Sir, in
exercises
grammar,
you have
which
to
which
write
lessons? Name.
8, 8, 9, 10. pronouns, prepositions, and conjunctions.
Okay, sir.
Okay, so today homework is exercise 4 and exercise 5 on time.
Yes, sir. Yeah, Vandana.
Yes, on time.
Yes, sir. Yeah.
Okay, bye, take care.
Okay, sir. Bye.
સર વી તો કે જબી હોમવર્ક નો દેવી
વયા ગયા અંજલિ મોડો પડ્યો.
અને હું કહું મમ્મા તારે તું જવાનું
ક્યાં ક્લાસમાં
હા
રેકોર્ડિંગ શરૂ પછી વાત કરી.
વાંધો નહીં